I drew Ramoji Film City. Don't believe me? Well, here's a video I'll show you that I have proof that I drew Ramoji Film City. So I take this magic pencil which I need to draw the Ramoji Film City with. So I pick up the pencil, drag that paper over here. In this fog, I'm gonna draw a big W, and voila! I just drew Ramoji Film City with no clickbait. Wait a minute. Why not we go to Ramoji Film City now? Ramoji Film City. Now I know what you're wondering. How did I end up in that kind of situation? Here is Arish, my featuring for the Ramoji Film City trip. Yes, welcome back. We are in Ramoji Film City. You can see Arish. We have to climb up the mega bus something. We're gonna go inside the bus to go inside Ramoji Film City area. Going forward. There are so many people.
Fast track disco.
We are in the ticket counter. I am not sure where to go. There's a lot just at the starting. Ramoji Film City, the world's largest film city. Oh, let's go for a carnival. Ramoji Film City. Souvenir shop. An entire place. Oh my goodness, a lot to see. Can we finish it in 11 hours? My man has a sticker. He's badged. And still there is more. But first what we should do, you know? What we should do, bro? What we should do first?
Bus tour.
Bus tour. Welcome to Rakshit and his chronicle adventures in Ramoji Film City. We are now in the bus. We are now in the bus. And let the bus send us to Ramoji Film City. I don't know how it will go, but don't worry, you'll see it soon. We started. Yeah, that's it. We started. Ramoji Film City. Now we are back to present. We love nature, you know. Take a bit of a nature. Arish, what you're doing, man? AC is broken. We are in Ramoji Film City. Yeah, oh dear. And these are incredible drawings. And that tree looks fake. Oh, what? The fountain. Oh.
Yeah, fountain. Wow.
360 turn and then goodbye.
Also hold on to something.
Wow. We have more drawings. More drawings. I wonder who does slow motion and just look at every drawing respectively. I guess no one. But it looks interesting. Oh my goodness. It's that far. Anyway, we reached. Ramoji Film City. Ah, it's movie magic. Holy photos, they're so big. Oh my god. This is what we see the first, and the next show is in the next 10 minutes. Lights, camera, action. This is not for children who are afraid of dark. And here we have a dude who is afraid of the dark. Oh, what can you see? You can't see anything. Actually, you can. There's literally lights, so you can see what is there. Just so you know, I didn't take an entire video of all the shows which I just showed, but I took the best moments of those shows. So, here you go. What? Oh my god.
Swagger down the runway. Check the fashion, nothing ever out of place. It's the real deal from the heels to the eyes. Damn city, where all the stars come out at night. When you know what you wanna be.
That was a good show, huh? We showed all genres. What's next? See the video soon, you will know it later. There's the other side. And my goodness, you can see the Statue of Liberty over here. Yeah, you can see the Statue of Liberty. There are much more to see. There are so many locations, can't see everything, you know. Time is limited, charging is limited, he is limited. Everything is limited. So we'll just enjoy what we see the most. Our next show is Filmi Dunia. It's a train ride, by the way. Welcome. Sir, welcome. First seat of the cart. Sir, welcome.
साम्राज्य अर्जुन के साथ सफर करते हैं फिल्मी दुनिया का।
Damn. Oh, bar. That's good for New Year. Yo! Oh! It's cold. Actually, it's as if we are there. Chicken? Ha! Did you see the world artist in that Filmi Dunia? Maybe that's why it's named Filmi Dunia, because it's showing how they make the movies. Okay, let's go for the next one. We're going down steep to see the Red Bus tour. We're gonna go inside the Red Bus and go further into the Ramoji Film City. A lot is there from this view. buses also.
Oh, it's the Wild West.
Yeah. Actually, this is Eureka. Yeah, you can't see it. We are at the wrong angle. It is like Ramoji Film Magic and Eureka and Fundustan at the same area, but I didn't even notice that, and I didn't even know that time. From this corner, you can see the Guinness World Record for the largest studio. I am in Ramoji Film City. You can see the certificate, Guinness World Record. Let's go. We are now in the red bus and start traveling. Let's see what is our next place.
So ये यूनिका स्टार्ट है कि उसका पूरा बिल्डिंग
Back on
दिखा
this
गया
road,
है एंड मल्लिया
it seems RR shoot here. So that's incredible to see that we just passed that
सो
road
अभी
right
सभी
now.
ध्यान से देखिए
We are now inside the jail. Oh no! Oh dear! We are now inside the jail.
सो मीना के सारे जेल के अंदर
Okay.
सारे मेरे फ्रेंड्स से मीट माय बेस्ट फ्रेंड देयर आर माय बेस्ट
What
तो
the
इसी
heck?
सेंटर से आप लोग को मीना को स्टैंड के सेंटर में लेकर आए
Yo! What the heck? They're all there.
इसने सदृश्यम डेड बॉडी
Finish.
सीन इसी लोकेशन में शूट किया गया
We are outside the jail. We just had 5 minutes. Central jail. We literally just saw all the props and sets which are taken in special movies like RRR, Pushpa 2, KGF. So many are there. Chennai Express. That's incredible. I think I said incredible so many times. We're going to Bhagavatam. This is Bhagavatam. Inside the kingdom.
बाहुबलीमध्ये पण आहे
There is our train station after the Bhagavatam. We're going to the railway station. They modeled the railway station too. That's incredible. Just finished our break and now we are in the bus. We are literally outside the train station inside a bus right now. And I think we are gonna go and see those structures like Hawa Mahal, Taj Mahal, but in Hyderabad again. There is Eureka, Angel Fountain, Jug Fountain, multi-purpose building, North Town, South Town, Jail, Bhagavatam, and railway station. Looks like next might be Bahubali set. After looking at this map, we are not sure, but we are expecting Bahubali set, and then so on. And back. Welcome to the European street. Many movies are taken in this area. And now we're gonna do Irish Revenge. The next movie upcoming 2028. Whoa. Live performance, motion capture technology and virtual shoot. Let's go in. Avatar, Robo 2.0. Let's go.
motion capture studio or virtual function studio.
Oh, what are we gonna see? And this one, the blue screen. What motion is taken is shown on the video.
There you can see yourself walking in the
Oh my gosh, it's a green screen. Oh, we can see ourselves in camera. Look, we're on camera. Yay. Welcome back again. I'm right here. Yeah, I'm right here. That's me. And we are exiting. We are back on the streets, baby. Let's go. Is that a DJ? That looks like sticky notes attached on some box. That's a DJ. Arush is planning for the next movie. Yeah, he's planning a lot. Our new director in town. This is the hospital. And if we go forward, you will see the Eiffel Tower. And after a bit more forward, we'll see the airport. See terminals. And yeah, bus will come. Yeah, this is the airport. Our fake Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium. Let's not talk about the fact that I just said Rajiv Gandhi International Stadium instead of an airport. Woo! 3 airplanes ready for action. Internal airport receptions. I guess they are. Wait, are we gonna go inside an airplane? Maybe a setup, but we'll go inside. Rakshit, we didn't even go inside an airplane. You know, time is limited, man. Yeah, after another bus ride, we are now at a place near Hawa Mahal. It's now from Europe, we are back to Indian structures. I think that's what I want to say in the first place. Oh no, it's up there. It's like a very high uplift to go. You know how much energy we need. I'll not waste time going up there. Just let's go directly. Yes, I reached. You don't need to see me climbing up the stairs. That's exhausting. It's just full of designs. It's just architecture. Nothing that fancy. Let's go further. It's now biryani break at Masala Mahal. Let's just say I ate too much biryani. From this point of view, you can see the Japanese garden. Oh my goodness, I ate too much. Look what I can see from this point of view. Thought that was Taj Mahal. That is something else. Yeah. Hello. Let's go to Japanese garden. Japanese garden. Ooh, the ambience. Oh, there's a waterfall there. And what else? Flowers. And this, the main thing in Japan. చలి నీళ్ళు నడుస్తున్నాము. Are we going higher? No, we're going near to the small waterfall. This is the bigger one actually. And then we are going for the smaller one. Why not? This looks cool. Next is the behind the scenes Maya Lok. Welcome to Maya Lok. Wow. entire museum type, like all models, villages, temples, airport, church, entire towns and cities. KGF Chapter 2, the Parliament, the Pushpa's, I guess the city, the town, village there. Maya. Let's go in. Look at those shows and the sets. Are you ready to see the show, Maya? Look. Yeah.
कल्पना को आकार देते हुए भावनाओं को बढ़ाते हैं। महलों से लेकर शहर के नजारों तक एक नई दुनिया को निर्माण करने में सेट दृश्य रूप देता है। जब हम छोटे बच्चे थे, दादी और नानी कहानी सुनाते थे। माँ बाप निर्माण किया गया है,
यानी एक ही जगह सारी चीजें मिलना। एक ऐसी जगह इंडिया में हैदराबाद में रहना, उस जगह हम लोग काम करना हमारे लिए गर्व की बात है।
एक निर्देशक के लिए जो सीक्वेंस चाहिए उसके हिसाब से बहुत ही प्रयास से एक सेट का डिजाइन करते हैं।
Literally watched the show Maya. Look, it showed how well that they all team together forming sets to make the incredible movies like Pushpa 2, RRR, KGF 2. That's good to see. Another bus ride. How many? We are going for our last eco tour. We are now in the eco garden. We have a lot to see. Let's go forward. Butterfly Park. Huh. Whee! Here are some facts about butterflies. I don't want to know. Just look at it. And it is all. And that's it. That's it. Finished. Trip finished in 23 seconds. Red Bull gives you wings. We go inside the bird museum. Whoa, my gosh. It's so peaceful. Look at that family. Here are some facts for all your nerds. అదే అదస్తున్నావు ఏంట్రా some small birds and you all in black. What's wrong with your big bill? Waterfall to relieve my memories. Sleeping duck. What are you both doing there? Good morning. There's our dear colorful macaw, Scarlet. They're chattering up there. My dear playing bird, where are you going? My goodness, it's going havoc. And it goes off into and finally ended off with a sleeping ostrich. The ostrich eggs, oh my gosh. When we talk about colors, we talk about the colorful plants. It's like an entire nursery here. And our music at the back sounds peaceful. Kripalu Cave. Ooh. There's the waterfall. There are deer spaces. What can you say? I don't know, but here you go. Okay, now we go inside the caves. Oh. In Ramoji Film City, there is a botanical garden, zoological garden, caves. Oh. From structures to structures to idols, and wow, woo. Oh my goodness. The caves. That holy music at the back. Exit. End off, I'm gone. Oh, caves are finished. It's a bonsai garden. Bonsai garden. Oh my gosh, tree. Oh, they're fake. Are they real or are they fake? Back to the bus again because this is our last. So everything we see here is good, but all comes down to the end. Whoa. Whoa. The fountain. This is to remind you that this is still not the end. We still have a halfway there. What is gonna be there in that half video? Get ready to find out. Now we are gonna go to Eureka. We completed the map. I thought the map is completed. No, we didn't even see Eureka yet. So let's go. Rakshit, I don't know what happened to you. We literally just saw Eureka at the starting. Did you forget about that? We are recalculating everything. The same thing. We are going back to start to see from first. Now everything is Kali. Everything is Kali. Oh my goodness. We are now going further into this Ramoji movie magic because we didn't go to. We are going further into new territory. Roads are empty. Magadha. What does that mean? So, I wonder what is there straight ahead. Hey, we are at the Wild West. Oh damn! It's our dear Wild West. That's a good throne there. I would like to have this in my own kingdom. I guess we completed the Wild West. Now let's go in and see what's there. Cool, calm. My gosh, what is that? I think they will do a show soon here. In night time this will glow and it will be dazzling. Way to Bahubali set. Oh my goodness, bus again. I wonder how many buses have gone in this video. I guess that's too many buses for my lifetime. We went to so many buses and this bus is now playing some Bahubali music. Wasn't that airport we saw? Wasn't that airport we saw earlier? Yeah, I guess so. We reached the Bahubali set. What is the first thing to see if we reach the Bahubali set? It is the structure. Oh, do you want to ring or do you want to thump? No, we want to go inside the gate. Oh. There's something over there. Whoa. We have to look there closer. For now, Dhanas. Hi guys, I'm in the Bahubali set, chilling with my brownie. That's good. See, I'm at the Bahubali set. I'm gonna be hold captive. The lingam, the golden lingam. Yeah. My goodness. I am also in the truck. There's lingam up there. That spins there, but no one is turning it right now. I wonder what is this. I didn't watch the Bahubali movie that clearly. For all the Bahubali fans out there, I'm very sorry. Oh my goodness. The main attraction of this set is right there. Okay. That's one thing there. Bull. Bull.
Get down.
Bull. So many bulls. Even finally we visited the Bahubali set. Let's exit through the merchandise shop. Oh, hey. Something random there. Let's just go. Another bus ride. It's over. We are going back to Ramoji. Magic, I think. Do you have the pamphlet? Yeah, thanks. Looking at everything, it feels like all are done. So, let the future behold where it takes. Well, they're finally setting up the show. I think, and I hope we'll watch it. Now we are going to Fundustan. I think that's what it's called, right? Yeah. From here. Yeah. See. Oh, yes, a lot of people. That's what we are talking about. Superstar. And there are so many stalls just near the Guinness World Record, which I showed you already. Stall. This is the entire stalls list. Now you can see Eureka. I should have done it a little bit earlier. Welcome back. Welcome back to the Wild West. Going forward, west side of wow. This is wild. And here's the crazy part. We're going west. Just kidding. It's just the Wild West. Some event should happen here, but I think it is late now, so nothing happened. Let's go. Well, it's not 6:30 yet, so that's why. Who am I kidding now? There is an actual show happening there. This is a setup for another show at 6:30 p.m. Oh, look at that. Shrek. That. Okay. Let's get ready. Oh my god. Wild West. Where will it start? What would happen? Action going on here. That was so good. That was very good.
Have a wonderful day exploring here at remote
The Wild
Film
West
City.
has both comedy. This has very good fighting also. That's very good. Let's go inside this weird genie's mouth. That Wild West that popped in my ears. Oh my god. Let's go. In. Oh. So this is inside a genie. Authority. Yeah, we saw that Wild West sooner. Okay. What is here to explore in this late night? That's something to see. Oh. The rainbow staircase. That's a humongous bouncy castle. That's it. At the corner here, some rain dance is happening. You can see that vapor. Oh my gosh! Wow! There's a lot to see! Varasura, the magician's workshop. What will it be there? Oh, is it a show? Okay, I don't know if this is a show, but we'll see. So just before I show you Borasura, I had to remind you that the entire thing is 7 minutes long. So if you do not want to watch that much, you can skip up to that timestamp. Welcome to all easy to enter, impossible to leave. Oh, it's a ghost thing. Oh no, there might be jump scare, huh? Going. That sounds weird. What the heck? Okay. Impossible to leave. I wonder why. Oh, 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 water, water, very scary, water. What are you doing down there? Yo, that's cool. Skeleton down there, skeleton down there, trying to jump scare. And no. What else? What else? That is good though. Ooh. What was there? Bat. Spider. Yeah. Spiders everywhere. And some weird sounds. And now we are in the... Oh, okay. This looks cool. Oh, right. Oh, this is Wiggly. This is Wiggly, 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 Yeti. Come on. Okay, there you go. What is there? The handprints and patak. Wrong hand. Okay. What is next? There are too many emergency exits. Oh, it's this illusion thing again. It's this illusion. Oh, oh, I hate this. It's illusions too. It feels so weird. Why is it slow? It's so weird. Well, I don't like spinning. That's any more? Yeah, let's go. Next, the fighting is done. Let's see what else there. How long is this? now we're going up. Well, now we are at the top. Whoa! Moving bookshelves. Oh, there's nothing. Ta-ta. Oh, well, that's even scary. Just kidding. This is so much. Okay, nice illusion. That's a good illusion there, but they can't trick us. Arush. And no way, maze trap. Bye. We should take turns, I guess. Wait. Oh no. We are going somewhere random directions, but hope that's correct. There is nothing. Oh wow. First try. Disco. Arish, dance bro. It's disco time. Dance. Photo. Oh, what does it say? Mine shaft. Arush just left us. Not. Oh, how did that? What? The transition there. Oh, there is. How? Mirror reflection, yeah. And well, water. How long is this? Oh, the bridge. You have to go down the bridge. This mine shaft is still continuing. Oh my goodness, there's still a lot. What is there? Nothing is here. Let's see here. Is it over? I guess you're going down. Yes. Is it done? It's a lot. 7 minutes. It took 7 minutes to get out of here. Arush, what was that?
It was not fun.
You only decided it.
It was not fun.
7 minutes it took. We completed this also. Wow. We are reaching every corner of Ramoji Film City. That's incredible. Time to transition. We are here. Wow. She just came. Yeah, he left. We're gonna look at this now. Oh wait, it's happening right there. The DJ is coming. Damn. Oh, that vibe. Let's go down the street. It's time for DJ. Your vibe, man. The DJ was shot. Gosh, I had rocked the stage. That's the great DJ I did, you know, dance after a long time. It's the beginning of the carnival. After the DJ, this is the carnival. The DJ is back, but it's not stopping. It's playing some DJ, which we're gonna say bye-bye to. I don't know where I came, but I came somewhere. What is this? Empty land for Ritvika to run about, but she's not here. She's at home. I am the only one who came. And what else? You know what else? This view. My goodness, there's a big view. Lights also, that too. It looks good in the dark. Let's look at the up view. Oh. Oh, goddamn trees. You can't even see properly what is in there. Yo, the entrance to the glow garden. Oh my goodness, it's giving me the temptation to go inside. So let's go in. Oh my god, there's a lot of color. Vibrant color. Yo. Hello. Too much color for this to handle. Oh my gosh. What is even in here? We got romance. I mean, that's what literally they said, romance. Can't we have a little bit of an action? Sultan. That's a KGF. A James Bond Spider-Man. You're gonna be like Singham, Salar. Oh my gosh. There's a lot for you to choose. Finally, such sports. Oh yes, sports. Yeah, I guess that's enough. We reached just on time. A fire act is happening. We need, we can't miss out at least a bit of it. Yeah, fire. అవును. Let's go inside. What is over here? There's something. What is happening? DJ. Musical notes and our DJ, disco ball, more instruments. Let's do it. Let's go. We did it. Everything is done and it's time to go home. I'm back at the bus and this Ramoji Film City is crazy. It is finally over. We traveled the entire Ramoji Film City. Did you enjoy, Arish? Did you enjoy? I enjoyed a lot. Nothing disappointed me. Let's go. It's there. Ramoji Film City. Ramoji Film City with colors in the dark. It looks good. Editor Rakshan, do your thing. I'm just gonna say it. Ramoji Film City is one of my biggest dreams to go there, and yes, I finally achieved it, and it didn't disappoint me. I will never forget this moment because it's so magnificent, so beautiful, so immense, a lot of things to be there, and yes, I am so happy that I went there. And yeah, thank you for watching this movie, and I'll see you all in the next video. Peace out.